Guys, so I'm vlogging now. I want to introduce our desk. I'm cleaning my desk. Guys,
This
alam
is
mo ba,
mine.
nagpa-vlog kami ngayon. Kaya, nag-English kasi siya. Kaya, medyo nag-learn na lang siya ng Tagalog. So, so guys, I am Ara. Pero
He's not Ara. She's joking.
She's cheesy, but her video is Jessica, just like that. Okay, i-hashtag ko lang dyan. Sige po. Wait lang po. This is our desk. Sobrang rumi talaga at sobrang pangit. Ayan, dito yan. This is my bag. So, this is my old bag. Is broke kasi nahulog. Ayan. Ito yung signal namin. Sobrang luma na. This is our bag and what's Tagalog guys?
So,
What? Ayan, kasi nag-i-English.
flashback.
Guys. So, this is na-post ko lang.
He's the follow my cousin.
Yeah,
in
true.
English.
I am teaching him how to Tagalog because he's not never learn because she from US. I don't know.
This is my
Pero yung family namin nandun, kaya dun siya pinag-aral.
lunchbox and my little brother's lunchbox.
Saan yung ko? Where's my decoration? Where's the decoration?
I don't know. Just a talent.
I'm vlogging. Yeah. So guys, bye na muna. Part 2. Part 2 na guys.